before we start with Akhilesh and then Mithali, please can you tell me the highlight of your week, the best thing that happened to you all week long? Ooh, big question. Big question. Nafisa, may I request you to start us off with this question, please? Best thing, biggest thing, most thankful thing that happened to you all week long?
Everything was great, and I am very thankful for everything. But the first thing that started off with my week was my Monday's presentation. It was amazing. Ma'am praised me, my college ma'am praised me for that, and it was great. And I have slept like 10 hours daily, so that was the best thing. That's it.
I love that. Thank you, Nafisa. Ajmer, what was the best thing that happened to you all week long? सबसे अच्छा क्या हुआ आपके साथ पूरे हफ्ते में? सबसे अच्छा.
सब कुछ अच्छा ही था.
ऐसा तो सब कुछ अच्छा ही होता है. हम रोज उठते हैं, हम रोज मस्ती करते हैं. वैसे तो सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, लेकिन सबसे अच्छा थोड़ा ज्यादा क्या चीज थी? सोचो सोचो, मैं आती हूँ वापस. Pratiksha, do you have an answer for us?
Yes, I do. So I've asked Hawa to find somebody to tutor me for the English language for communication, and she brought around 4 or 5 people, and I've met them all, and I think that was the best thing because they all agreed and they were very happy to help and they were like eager to meet.
Yay! I love that. I love that, Pratiksha. Thank you. Ajmer, याद आया कुछ?
हाँ, GK का लेक्चर, GK सेशन.
GK session which you had with Johan about the stars.
Yes.
Well done. Akhilesh, what's your answer?
It was my birthday.
It was your birthday, but what did you do on your birthday that made it so special?
So it was a thing, since it was 6 months, I never got out of my area only. So I went near Seabase and met some friends and we just enjoyed. But with safety first, huh?
Safety first. I was just going to ask you that. Well said, Akhilesh. Razveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Same question, beta. Question nahi badla maine. Same question.
In every week I have many lectures, so I like that.
But सबसे अच्छा lecture or most thankful moment, happy moment, funniest moment, कुछ भी थोड़ा हटके.
आज का था, economic का.
आज का था, economics का था. Okay, well done. Thank you. Vrushali?
मैम, मेरा बेस्ट थिंग तो फन फ्राइडे स्पीकर, जब मैंने देवांशी मैम को बहुत थैंक यू बोला था और मैं इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छी बोल पाई, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Even we loved that very, very much. You spoke very well and we loved that very much. Now, Vrushali, can you say the same thing to me in English?
My best thing is Fun Friday speaker, Devanshi ma'am. Thank you.
Well said. Well said, Vrushali. Good job. Good job.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
we want you to try and speak in English. Okay? Bhushan, bolo bolo.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, वैष्णवी मुझे कॉल कर रही थी. वो बोल रही थी कि मतलब मेरी मीटिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है.
She's on the call. She's on the call. She's on the call. I see her.
Okay,
She's here. She's here. Thank you. Hello, Vaishnavi. You are late, but we will get to that.
Yes, ma'am.
We will get to that. Okay, 1 second, beta. Bhushan, उसका भी मैं जवाब दूंगी. 1 minute रुको. Okay, please. Bhushan, your moment of the week, please.
Actually, I did not have book science ka book, so I was studying from the YouTube, and I had made two notebooks notes, and after that I decided to buy standard book for science. Then I saw on net it was around 450 or 500 pages book. So I got worried that how will I going to complete those 400 or 500 pages because I don't have time. But when I received those books, so already I knew many more things in that book because of those YouTube channels. So that was a great moment for me because the book was so easier for me to study.
Okay, great. I love that, Bhushan. Mitali, Mitali.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's a very small change that I had in this week. Nowadays, I talk to Kajal Di a lot. Like, nowadays, she's like my best friend. So, we share each and everything, like what we do for entire day and like everything. So, from so many months, I was trying to sleep early, but because of some reason, it couldn't happen. So, she told me that on YouTube, listen to meditation music and all. She sent me on that WhatsApp. So I have really worked on that, and at least for this, not this week, but 3 4 days, I'm waking up early in the morning, and I'm really happy that this is happening.
I'm so happy to hear that. I'm sitting in an area that's a little dark, but you can't see that you made me a little emotional. I'm really happy to hear that. And honestly, I tell you, Kajal is a very good friend to have. She's a very good friend to have. So and she comes with a very good reference. Tanu gives her reference for friendship. She's a very good friend to have, and I'm so happy you're talking to her every day. And I'm even happier to hear that you're waking up and you're looking so much brighter. So I love that. Thank you, Mitali, for sharing. Thank you. Satyam,
Thank you.
he will have some super profound thing. Huh? Satyam, bol.
Yeah, the best thing that happened to, it's not just me, like it happened to us as a family. We launched the YouTube channel uh, of our page. So that was really something great. And on a personal level, like not family level, on the personal level, I started studying economics of my CFA. So that was great.
Yeah, I love it when you all start studying. That's always a good thing. Thank you, Satyam, for sharing. Kajal, your camera is not working.
If I turn on my camera, so I am unable to hear voice. So
Okay,
that's why I have turned it off.
fair enough. Fair enough.
Thank you.
Please, can you answer the question?
Yes, yes. So I have a few grateful moments of this week. So the first one is, as Mitali said, that we are talking to each other regularly. That's the like best thing, as Tanu is not here and we are not speaking with each other from like so many days. So Mitali is like bestest friend now as of now. So we are speaking, and that's first. Second, she's teaching me to paint and to draw because she's really good at it. So we are just working on each other's, like I'm helping her in few things and she's also helping me in few things. So that's really great. I'm very thankful for that. The third thing is that, as Satyam said, that we launched our YouTube thing and Insta, and we are doing pretty well as of now. So that's really, we are happy for that. That's really good thing. Then the fourth thing is, I was stuck in the GK I was doing, and I couldn't understand one concept. So I called my friend from law class only. Then we discussed the thing, like what is this exactly, and we spoke for about an hour. So that was like really good thing, and we learned a lot of things about that concept. So that was another one. Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, Kajal. Thanks, Kajal. So वैष्णवी, वर्षा, सेजल, सौरभ, हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? हमारे पूरे हफ्ते में सबसे बेस्ट चीज या सबसे खुशी की चीज क्या हुई? That is what we are answering, please. Tanu, since we have connection with you, please will you answer the question?
Yes. So my thankful thing in this week is that I have enough internet to do my tests every day. So that and yes, and I am also connected with Shama, and she messages every day about her day, about everything, good morning to good night and everything. So I love that. So those were the two grateful things of the week.
Superb. Thank you, Tanu. Thank you. Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Question answer karo, please.
मैम आई एम सॉरी बट मेरा ये वीक पूरा मतलब बहुत बेकार गया है.
You know what? बेकार वीक में अच्छा मोमेंट ढूंढना सबसे जरूरी चीज है, क्योंकि हाँ देखो कैसे निकल आया अभी.
एक्चुअली फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे पापा ने ना मुझे कुछ लाया है. ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है बिकॉज इतने साल हो गए उन्होंने मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं लाया था और उस दिन मुझे ना उन्होंने नेकलेस दिया. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Now can you say that in English? Can you try?
Ma'am, please help me.
I will help you. I will help you.
Yes.
पापा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Father.
Father.
Dad.
Sorry, please.
Dad.
Yes, dad. तो किसका पापा?
मेरे पापा.
So how do you say
my dad?
My dad. So my dad bought. Bought is the past tense of buy, to buy. So my dad bought. किसके लिए खरीदा?
मेरे लिए.
तो मेरे लिए को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हैं? My dad bought.
I have.
Okay, my dad bought me. Me.
Me.
My dad bought me. क्या खरीदा?
Necklace.
तो कैसे बोलेंगे? My dad bought me.
My dad.
My dad bought me.
Necklace.
That's right. My dad bought me a necklace. Perfect. इतना भी difficult नहीं था.
My dad bought me necklace.
A necklace. A necklace. Bought me a necklace.
A necklace.
That's right.
Okay.
Vaishnavi, you know English. It's not that you don't know English. Like you know you knew father, you knew necklace, you knew the word you know, you just have to have the confidence to speak it. Okay?
Yes.
Well done,
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome, darling. Most welcome. We have only three people left. One person signal went, so now we're down to two people. Saurabh, can you hear us? Yes. सौरभ सुनाई दे रहा है आपको? He's trying, he's muting, unmuting, but it's not happening. It's okay, Saurabh, no worries. Varsha, can you hear us? Varsha? No. Okay. So we'll wait, and Shama is clearly having signal issues. So I want you to know that all week long you need to think, which is my happiest moment, which is my happiest moment, which is my happiest moment, because every Thursday we will start with this. Every single Thursday we will start with this. So बेकार week में भी एक अच्छा चीज ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा. All right? Because God doesn't give us full bekar weeks. First of all, He doesn't even give us one bekar din. If you really start looking at it, even in the worst day, you will find one good thing. So we need to change our mindsets and the way we function. All right. The second thing I want to talk about is we have such a huge surprise for all of you. Huge. Pratiksha, you're going to be so happy you reconnected with us because it is a massive surprise. And unfortunately, though, it is only available to those of you who can keep your video on for the session. If you are in an area where you're not getting signal or you cannot keep your camera on, unfortunately, we cannot let you participate because मौका ही इतना बड़ा है. So that is one thing we will have to help you with, जहाँ पे network नहीं है. अखिलेश भैया कैमरा चालू करो नहीं तो मौका आपके हाथ से जाएगा. So cameras have to be on. So we had kind of told you about this some months ago when actually before the lockdown, because we didn't know the lockdown was going to happen and we were going to do a summer camp, and then after summer camp के बाद हम लोग एक और program एक महीने के लिए करने वाले थे college prep के लिए. Bye mom, have a good day. College prep के लिए हम लोग एक पूरा महीना ट्रेनिंग करने वाले थे. तो हमारी एक पार्टनर सबसे, हाउ डू यू से इम्पोर्टेंट इन हिंदी? महत्वपूर्ण. महत्वपूर्ण partner, she has agreed to start taking your classes on Zoom. Now, because her classes are so personalized, and because she is globally known. Globally का मतलब?
पूरे विश्व में.
पूरे विश्व में. That's right. She is known globally for producing results. Results in what? Results in taking children who don't have English as the first language and making them start to speak like Rashna speaks, like Priya speaks, like Keisha speaks. So she is globally renowned for building English language skills. Second thing she builds is confidence through leadership, right? So the reason these three skills become important for you is not only do they help you perform in college, but tomorrow when you get a job, you already know how to be a leader. You already know how to manage teams. So you will qualify for that promotion. You will qualify for that salary increase. You will be able to start your own business because you will understand what leadership is all about. Normally, people pay her too much money to do her course. Too much money. Many people in our dunya also cannot afford to send their children to her class. And she has agreed to teach our Pehchan children. And she has agreed to do her full program with 30 of our kids. With only 30 of our kids. Yes, she is willing to take more once she sees a result from these 30. She will be meeting, her teachers will be meeting with children in batches of 10. Only 10 children in each class are allowed. And she'll be doing 3 batches of 10. Abhi 10 kyun? Because she wants to see you, she wants to talk to you. Plus, she is known. Translate this for me. She is known for producing results.
वो अपने बहुत
Sorry, Akhilesh?
वो अपने जो
You're muted, Akhilesh. You're muted.
जो काम करती है अपने निष्कर्ष यानी निकाल के लिए जानी जाती है, बहुत मशहूर है।
Yes, वो बहुत मशहूर है in getting results. So if she does 30 children at one time, she won't get the children to speak. She won't know each one's performance. तो वो सिर्फ 10-10 बच्चों को लेती है एक बैच में. Okay? So it's a huge opportunity, children. I will send you her name so you can even research her and understand what a big opportunity this is. But let me tell you, attendance becomes very important. Attending on time becomes very important, right? Because if she is such a busy person, her teachers are so busy, and they are giving us 3 hours of their time. I used to tell Tanu, Satyam, Kajal this when they used to go for this accounts tuition. They used to go to a gentleman whose one seat used to be worth in the lakhs for a year. And he used to give that seat to them for free. And in his class, he only used to take a limited number of people. So he was losing money, right? If he gave that seat to a paying person, he would have earned that money. Now he's given the seat to them, so he's not earning that money. So his time becomes very important and very valuable. समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं बोल रही हूँ? तो same cheese is happening here. So we cannot join late. We cannot join without our cameras, and we cannot join without completing our homework. Homework इतना भी intense नहीं होगा, लेकिन homework होगा सही. Okay? We will be deciding which people are going in which batch. Currently, there are 3 batches. One is on Monday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. One is on Thursday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And one is on Thursday from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. You do not get to choose your batch because the batch will be put together based on level of understanding of English. आप कहाँ पे हो पहचान के साथ, आप कहाँ पे हो आपके इंग्लिश की सफर में, उस हिसाब से आपको एक बैच में हम रखेंगे. आपको वही बैच में अटेंड करना है. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And she does this through theater and drama and all these amazing ways. There will be, for beginner level, which is what all of you will be, there will be 24 sessions. 24 sessions. That's 24 hours of training. Okay? So from first, we will either start first week of September or second week of September. Most probably first week of September. Till end December, we will do on Zoom. If after that sab kuch khul gaya hai, then we will resume in-person classes. Samajh mein aaya? Yes? Okay. You will, those of you who pass, those of you who clear, because unka naam itna bada hai, you will also get a certificate for completion, for successful participation, या जो भी वो लोग देते हैं. और वो certificate के काफी मायने, means it will be very important when it's in on your CV or when you carry it with you somewhere. Are you excited about this? And you know, I don't dream.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how to dream छोटा. मुझे सिर्फ बड़े सपने देखने आते हैं. So my दिमाग is already 10 steps आगे because she is so globally well positioned, and because we have our global exchange program slated to start next year in the US, where Pehchan kids will be spending 1 month in a US school in 12th grade, 12th standard. I am also thinking maybe we can partner with her global side here in US, and we can add a couple of weeks to the United States journey exchange for the kids who come. So this is all very big, right? And imagine the kids who are going to study in America next year, hopefully if lockdown opens and we can get visas and things like that. If they can study in America for a month, can you imagine what will happen to their English? And then if they can go to her academy here in USA and study for another 2 weeks with the US graduates, can you imagine what will happen to that level? OMG. सपने देख रहे हो तो बड़ा देखो, छोटे देखने में फायदा ही नहीं है ना? So this is the plan, and it starts with putting down a foundation, and the foundation is attending all 24 sessions. So you cannot be late, your camera has to be working, your mic has to be working. And those of you, Saurabh, for example, it's not his fault, he's in a low network area and he can't connect to speak, or he can't connect where the video is on. We will add you to the in-person batches when they start. So do not get upset कि आप Zoom के batch में add नहीं हो पा रहे हो. हमारा रिश्ता ये organization से जुड़ चुका है और आगे भी होगा. So we will add you to in-person batches and they will start again in January for 24 sessions. It is just that your friends who will participate now will then go to level 2 a little faster than you, level 3 a little faster than you. So, Pratiksha, God makes no mistakes.
Yeah.
God makes no mistakes. This is something I've been trying to teach you for years. He makes no mistakes. He spoke to your heart at the right time. He spoke to you to reach out to us at the right time. I have been telling you for years that there is a larger purpose for your life than you believe there is. And this is only proof of that. Imagine getting prepared by one of the world's best. How many other children are getting that opportunity who live where you live, studied where you studied? Don't tell me God's not with you. Don't tell me you don't understand, because He lives within you. And I want you to always remember that. It was not सरप्राइज के फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वही टाइम पे हुआ, फिर तूने चूज किया जुड़ने के लिए वही टाइम पे, and then you started attending classes at this particular time. It's not a coincidence. He works with purpose. Mitali, same goes for you. God works with purpose, with full purpose. He knew exactly where that SMS was going that night, or that WhatsApp was going that night. He knew exactly that he needed you to reconnect with us. He knew exactly that this opportunity was meant for you. He has a plan for each of you that's bigger than any of you have dreamed. You just have to have faith in that. Got it? Got it? And if you got thoda emotional, that's a good thing. That's him talking from inside you. Hello, main hu idhar. Okay, that's his way of talking to you. Shall we please begin? I'm very excited to hear our speakers for today. We will please begin with Mitali. Akhilesh, ladies first. So we will please begin with Mitali. Mitali, please introduce yourself. So when I say introduce yourself, you will tell us which school you went to, which college you're in, what stream you're studying, how many years you've been with Pehchan, and introduce your topic. Don't start speaking about the whole thing, but introduce your topic to us. Please, Mithali.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Mithali Gaikwad, and right now I have completed my 12th standard from Elphinstone College from science stream, and I was in SVM International School. I mean, now it has been international. When I was there in the school, it was Shardashram Vidya Mandir. Okay, so I just wanted to play a small activity with you all. Can I?
Yes, perfect. Yes. Okay, Mithali, please start with us.
Okay, so I'm going to enact something. I'm going to enact my topic, and you all have to guess that. Is that okay? Just show me the thumbs up if you all are okay. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, that's it. So, any guesses? What is my topic? Is on what topic I'm going to speak on?
Dancing?
Yes, that's right. Thank you so much. So a year before, I was working as a dance choreographer, but after some time, because of my studies and exam, I couldn't able to manage both the things. So I had to quit that job. But I know some basic health benefits of dancing. As we all know what all things are going on around us, so we should take care of our health and ourselves. So whether you're 80 years old or 8 year young, no matter, dancing is a way to stay fit for people of all ages, shapes, size, and etc. So if you are able to move, even if it's your upper body, you can dance. Moving on the sound of music transforms your life. And you all know 30-minute dance or 30-minute dance workout.
Can you all hear her? No.
No.
She's back. She should be back.
Out, but for jogging we need to go somewhere else, and that is like now it's impossible because of lockdown and everything. So the benefits of dancing surrounds all area of our health, including emotional, physical, mental. So how does it help us physically? It improves our cardiovascular health. That means heart pumping. It improves our blood circulation. It brings the coordination and balance in our body. It keeps our heart and lungs healthy, and we get a nice and fit body posture as well. So, how does it help us mentally? So, while dancing, you need to focus on these two things, which are first is you need to you need to keep on changing your moves, and second thing, you need to recall your movements and your patterns of your dance. So, are you guys getting what I'm trying to explain? Just show the thumbs up.
Also, Mithali, your voice is going in and out, beta. We are understanding what you're saying, but your voice is going in and out.
Okay, it's a network issue.
Yes, must be. Try turning your video off and talking and see if that helps you.
Okay. Shall I start?
Yes, please start. Can't hear her. No, darling, still can't hear you. That's okay, she'll come back. How pretty is this dancer? Isn't she so pretty and so graceful? Graceful. Wait, let me type that spelling into the chat. Graceful.
Can you able to hear me?
Yes, now we can. Please go ahead.
Okay. So I was talking about mental health. So how dance helps us mentally. So these two things you need to focus on while dancing, and this is an excellent mental exercise for our mental health and our mind, for our brain. And emotionally it helps us, like when people dance they actually forget that they're exercising. So while dancing, of course, we'll play our favorite music, and that vibe, that music, we are into that moment and we are actually enjoying that movement. So we are happy at that time. According to multiple studies, dancing has
Yeah. I'm getting instructions from Keisha that I should have been shifting the slides every minute. So we see a new dancer. Okay, so Mitali is definitely having connection issues. But we understand what she's talking about.
ma'am, meeting. I'm getting disconnect again and again. I don't know why.
No problem, darling. It happens when we are about to, my kids will tell you that when we're about to have a breakthrough and when we're about to rise above where we are supposed to, these things happen to us to challenge us, to keep us from where we are supposed to be. So just be patient with your network connection. It will work out. Either way, we are understanding what you're saying. What you are saying is dance helps with our heart health, which is cardiovascular health. It helps with our physical health. Just 30 minutes of dancing can change our mental health. So it has physical health benefits as well as mental health benefits. And it can be any type of dancing as long as we are moving. These are all the things you have so well articulated and communicated with us during your presentation. So we are understanding what you're saying. So don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. What else would you like to teach us about dance, Mitali?
So, dance for kids, there are some different benefits of dance. So,
Okay. So for kids, there are different benefits. So when she comes back, she'll tell us what are the benefits of dance for kids. And but as a whole, don't you think Mitali is speaking so well? Don't you think her English is polished enough, is coming together? She's able to articulate her point of view. She's chosen a topic and she's kept it focused, right? So each of you is going to have to do that. When you pick your topic has to be narrow enough to convey a particular point. You can see that her presentation is also so well structured. She's gone to physical benefits, she's gone through mental benefits, and then she was going to talk about the benefits on kids. Mitali, are you back? No. Okay. So she was going to, so you have to have a structure when you're talking, and we want you to learn that structure. If you remember last week, I told Mitali and Akhilesh, pick your own topics. I have not helped them organize anything. They have found the pictures on their own, their videos on their own, and they are presenting this on their own, right? So Mitali will get back to us, but let me show you the other pictures that she has selected. All various types of dance, I imagine she was going to tell us about. Keisha, the video will not play on a laptop WhatsApp web. So if we can forward the video to the alumni group where they can look at it in their own time, not right now. Everybody do not go to your WhatsApp just now to see the video. Pratiksha is laughing because she knows you all would have done just that. Yes, Mitali.
now can you able to hear me?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay. So, for kids, there are some one sec. Oh God. What's happening? Movement and rhythm comes naturally to kids So dancing not only help children to, boost up their energy, but it also a great and safe way for them to express themselves. So I was having a short video, but
Okay. Um, Keisha, next time when we set up these meetings, can you not have a waiting room, please, darling?
So you want a waiting room only for Mondays?
Only to see who is coming late on Mondays. But yeah, please. Because I guess Satyam and all are getting disconnected and reconnected. And then when we're doing share screen, they're just hanging out in the waiting room. All right, we are going to please move forward with Akhilesh's presentation, and hopefully Mitali's presentation we will complete as soon as her connection is back. Is that okay? Akhilesh, are you ready, Akhilesh? Wow, he was born ready. I'm telling you, this child was just born ready. Akhilesh, please give us your introduction while I am pulling up your presentation.
Okay, so I'm Akhilesh. I studied Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Municipal School. So I've done my 11th, 12th in science stream. And I'm currently doing BSc. So in second year at KC College. So my topic name is World with Aliens. I know this is really great topic because I belongs to science also. So, and I love this topic a lot. I love this topic a lot because I love to discover something like so. I cannot so much enthusiastic words when we come to aliens. So in this,
One second, please, Akhilesh. Everybody can see the screen, or do I need to make it smaller, bigger? Somebody tell me. Everybody can see his slide perfectly? Yes, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Also,
Yes,
Akhilesh,
ma'am.
please tell us how many years you have been with Pehchan.
Oh, sorry. So so this is my third year in Pehchan. Hello.
And you were a participant before that, correct, Akhilesh?
Yes. So yes, I was participant in 2017, and now I'm change maker in Pehchan, senior change maker in Pehchan.
Well done, Akhilesh. Please, let's begin.
Okay. So what Rashna ma'am and Johan Weir teaches about the space is a history that we created. When it came to like talking about space is a mystery, like aliens, like sun, like Saturn, like Jupiter. But when we combine this together, it's chemistry, right? History, mystery, chemistry. It's all great talking about it. So let's smile for that because I don't want sad faces that I should stop and like, I don't want that lecture. I'm just talking about the facts that we had, okay? So last 70 years, okay? Last 70 years, we have so many histories, so I have mystery and so many chemistry we saw, okay? So by NASA and American Space, okay, American Space Agency, NASA, who has at 1960 or 1970, they launched the first spacecraft with a man named Apollo 11, okay? With a man, name was named Armstrong. One common thing with them. India's space agency name is ISRO. They have sent it 10 times, 12 times spacecraft to the moon, right? But Apollo, NASA sent it only one, okay, which was Apollo 11. They have created Apollo 16, 15, 17. It was a spacecraft, fine. But they never sent it. They sent it only one, and then they never sent it. Okay, they never sent it to the moon. There are some scientists, ex-scientists. Next slide, please, ma'am. There are some ex-scientists means who have worked in NASA. They prove that NASA is working with aliens. Okay, so then let's talk about what is aliens. I'm not talking about that koi milne wala jadoo, who eats doop and do magic. No. We're talking about the real one. Okay, so the real one, aliens. So some ex-scientists who work past with NASA, so they prove that NASA work with aliens. Okay, so one scientist name was NASA. One scientist name was Jim. Okay, his name was Jimmy. So he was a what can I say? But when Neil Armstrong was going, so he was a director. He was directing them. Go there, do this, do this. He was the director. Okay. Before dying his death, he make a video clip, okay, on YouTube that he was telling that he was speaking truth that NASA is working with aliens, and there was footage, okay, there was a footage which when UFO has hounded or UFO is identified while they were shooting on moon. When they landed, they're shooting on moon. They find something which was flying near to them. Okay, let's throw one fact. Okay, this is a crazy fact. Whoever works with NASA, NASA do one beautiful and mystery things. They remove the all qualification. They remove the all family background. Even they remove all the memories they had. Like if I'm talking about Jim, if you search on Google, this is a fact. So here he is an engineer. He is aeronautical engineer. But when you search on history, when you go to the America's aeronautical college, you'll never find his degree. Why? I should question. Like NASA is not so dumb that he will take anybody to the NASA agency and work with them. No, NASA is a very high class agency. He will take the topper every single thing. So NASA delete every single thing wherever who works with them. NASA works 3-year contract. They work 3 years with them. Ma'am, next slide, please. So there are ancient proofs, like if you're talking about Egypt, if you're talking about the pyramids, so there are so many sculptures we found, like they show that someone is coming from the sky, helping them by some object. Next slide, Kim. So whenever someone coming from the sky, the people from Earth, they're praising them, or the other person who are coming from the sky, they're helping them. So there is a Bent Pyramid, is the biggest pyramid in the world. Okay, the biggest pyramid in the world, name is Bent Pyramid, is in the Egypt. Okay, we know all that mummy wala part, right? Who works from the who have bandages on his whole arms, and he works like this as a. So yeah, so that's what is called as pyramid. So this is a sculpture over here. There are two men. There's some UFO like. Okay, what is the UFO means? Unidentified object. Okay, unidentified. There are so many meanings. Unidentified object, unidentified flying object. Okay, so there is a pyramid sculpture of Bent Pyramid. It's just showing that two person which has which have a long head coming to Earth and helping them. Next slide, please. So the next slide is about Giza Pyramid. There is the pyramid of King Tutankhamun. So who is the King Tutankhamun? The youngest emperor, who was at the age of 15, who was the king. Okay, at the age of 15, he was the king of whole Egypt. So when he died, so when Egyptologists went to their pyramid searching, they find this a sculpture. Okay, some aeronautic engineers say that this picture told that a person who in the front of them, there's a person who's calling someone else from the sky, and the person who are the residents who are living there, they are praying to come. Okay, they're praising, come and help us. Okay, so and there's so many mystery about Egypt. Do you guys any observe, like there is a goddess of Egypt? Like if there is a god of a death, he's a death. So the head of a dog, right? The head of a dog. So that there are so many mysteries. Some people say that it is related to the aliens. Like whoever aliens come, so they pretend like that the aliens were their god. And when you went to the pyramids, so the Egyptologists, the old Egypt people tell that in their holy book, that the pyramid was a way to go to the another space. Okay, next slide, please. So there are So when NASA captured something on the Mars, we know we had a great mission called MOM, and we went on Moon. So when they captured many footages, so on there, if you just zoom out the red wall part, some people say this is a bottle. Some people say this is a bottle. But if we say, we all know, if there is a news that on Mars there is so many percentage of irons. Okay, so many people capture iron over there. So it is a very simple thing. This is not in a bottle. This is an iron which has a shape. Okay, so this is not an thing apart like this is in a bottle. Next slide, please. This is my favorite. This is my favorite part. So whenever we went to space by spacecraft, so there are some part which is a garbage. Okay, where some parts to help the spacecraft to go out of the gravitational force to out of the Earth. So some part has been split it out, and they just move to end here there. Okay, but at a particular time, that garbage might can go to any. So the same thing happened. There is a went to the moon. Okay, and then so many people started shouting like, this is an alien ship, this is an alien ship. When NASA and ISRO zooming out, it was an engine. Okay, it was an engine which is one found out there. It is not an alien. So there are so many rumors, but this is our rumors. Okay, ma'am, next slide please. So there is a proof also. This is not only this will spread rumors. There are so many proof. So we all know about radars. Okay, what is a radar? Anyone can tell me what is a radar? Please, can anyone tell me? Radar.
Anybody knows what a radar is?
Okay, I love
Akhilesh.
A machine, something for a.
Radar is a thing which use our defense people to know that if some people are not crossing their lines, like Pakistan is crossing their border, so we come to know that they are crossing our lines. So that's why they use radar. And also radar used in space, like someone is not coming to our planet from another planet. For border checking, they use radar to come to know that.
Perfect. Yes, exactly. So there is a video. I can share the link on the alumni group. Sorry. So at 2008, California Air Force was planning and just doing their regular practices. Okay, so they found something strange on the radar. Okay, so there is some speed. Okay, there is some kind of speed of airplane, some kind of speed of helicopter, but there is no speed of UFO. So this is a rare image of a radar captured a UFO. Okay, so it was moving like a seconds, from second to here to there, here to there. There was no speed for it. It was very quick. It was very good. So it was just disabled in just few seconds. The video is only for 2 minutes, but he just captured this UFO only for 10 seconds. You can understand that what is the speed of that UFO had. Next slide, please. Okay, so NASA had, there are some people who can say this is also fake, this is also not right. So there are so many news on that, like 2015, I know, 2016 also, NASA and ISRO founded some same planet like Earth. They named that B2, they named that B1. There is a water over there, there is a air is there. So this is the same planet. So don't we think if there is a water is there, so why don't the life is over there? This is a common logic. Okay, this is a common logic we can see. There is a biodiversity. If we just think and go back to our life about Earth, we created by water. It might be there that there also is some biodiversity over there. Okay. Next slide, please. So thank you so much. This is so. I have so many things. Thank you so much. And if you want to show some aliens over like here also, so you can see like, hello Saurav, you are my cute alien.
All right. Thank you, Akhilesh. But we are here to learn. So may I use this to teach us some elements of presentation and leadership as well? All right. So somebody give Akhilesh, what did you learn from his presentation? Let's start with that. Somebody tell me, Satyam, what did you learn from Akhilesh's presentation?
So what I understood and learned from his presentation is that first he tried to first he created an imaginary world where he thought, what if aliens live with us? Then after a point, there came a point where he said all like many things which was like which people thought are like activities of alien, but they were just rumors. Then he spoke about uh, so there are some examples that he gave which uh, which was not regular. So this is what I learned from his
Okay.
presentation.
Vrushali, I'm sorry, Vrushali, अखिलेश ने जो समझाया अभी उसमें से क्या समझ में आया आपको?
मतलब नासा नासा मतलब नासा में जो मतलब नासा अपोलो वो समझ में आया.
Okay. Bhushan, what did you understand?
The first thing I like about him that he was very confident during the explanation. The second thing I will say about him that the topic was too difficult because some of us don't know like in detail about aliens, or some of us don't believe in aliens. So it was a very difficult job to make us believe in that thing which aren't aware of some of us. So somewhere I got connected with him that during that Egypt wala part, but somewhere he couldn't connect with me with that part, or I wasn't connecting with that what he's saying. So that was somewhere I like how he started or something, or but somewhere also I don't like where he couldn't connect with me us with that topic.
Fair enough. Pratiksha?
Ma'am, may I speak something regardless what I learned?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I'll tell you that what I learned from this presentation is he created a very comfortable environment when he cracked that history, mystery, chemistry wala joke, and I really love that fact that he made everything comfortable. So I was like, and then it starts to get interesting. Like we didn't know about aliens, and we didn't know about this Egypt thing, and the footprints and the radar. Uh, I don't think even I have heard these rumors also. So I think that was a very interesting topic. And yes, he was confident.
Okay, superb.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Razveen, last one. Razveen?
I like this session to know about aliens.
Okay. So, Akhilesh, let's give you some more feedback on presenting, on getting your point of view across, right? So, I'm going to walk through your PPT with you. First of all, I love, love, love that you had a PPT. You had something to show us. You had content, you had captions. So, let's start with your very first very first PPT slide. All right. Oops. Sorry. I have to. I can. Okay. So right from now, listen. All the feedback that I give you today, I give Akhilesh today. I expect the next two presenters to learn from this and do it better when they present. Understand what I'm trying to say? Everybody understand what I'm trying to say? All right. So now, Akhilesh, you see this earth, you see this globe, and you see this light. You have shrunk this image without using the corners. You've either shrunk it from the side, so the perspective of the image does not come across. Number one. Do you understand what I mean by that? Yes, you understand what I mean by that. Also, now when we read this heading, the first we had our space with a man traveling from Earth to outer space. It was NASA by spaceship name was Apollo 11. All right. Now, I'm not even looking at the English grammar because that's not the purpose of what we are learning here for presentation. Okay. When I read this, nothing stands out. Nothing is highlighted. Your main point should come out, whether it's Apollo 11 would have been highlighted, say, in red font or red text, or whether it was the word first. But nikhar ke nahi aaya bahar. जो आपका मेन पॉइंट था ये टेक्स्ट में, तो पिक्चर का पर्सपेक्टिव भी थोड़ा ऑफ है और यहाँ पे जो हमें इम्पोर्टेंट लगना चाहिए वो बाहर निकल के नहीं आता है. All the words have equal weight. Okay, now next slide. Also over here, you did not introduce to us because like Bhushan said, people are not familiar with aliens. People are not familiar with a conspiracy theory related with aliens. People have different opinions about aliens. So it would have been nice for you to introduce the concept. What are you going to talk about? I'm going to talk about this, this, and this, and then start. Okay. 1 second, please. So now we have our next slide, but there are some facts which, I keep moving you all around. But there are some facts which tells that NASA never landed moon after Apollo 11 mission. They have created Apollo 17, but in whole part, they sent only one. What you were trying to communicate was they've only sent one successful Apollo 11 mission, etc. That's what you were trying to communicate. Whenever you're discussing a topic of controversy, and by controversy, I mean a topic where there is a difference of opinion, politics bolo, religion bolo, caste system bolo, ya aliens bolo, nothing is ever fact. अगर fact होता ना तो controversy ही नहीं होता, right? अगर fact होता तो controversy ही नहीं होता. So when you say this is fact, it is something you believe based on the research you have read and based on the research you have understood. It doesn't necessarily make it fact. So the way it needs to be said or the way it needs to be spoken is the way I have understood research that has been presented is that they have had only one successful mission, Apollo 11, etc., etc., etc. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, Akhilesh? Rather than saying, ye fact hai, ye fact hai. And this is something very common in our culture. We hear something, we believe something, and then we make it fact. But it may not necessarily be fact. Okay? Then here, and Akhilesh, look at this. Some people and some theories is also, what is this word supposed to be? That's right. It's supposed to be said. Said to be that they found a UFO and is this supposed to be and? Right. Look at his body language. Look at his body language. He's holding his head. He knows these are common mistakes. He shouldn't have made them. An unidentified flying object in the moon and some ex-scientists of NASA prove. So I've made my point. I've made my point about facts. I've made my point about your main points not being highlighted. And here, what's this word supposed to be? What's this word supposed to be? Aliens. Look at the spelling. What is the spelling of relation? Is it relation? It's not about the English. It's about the details that you already know, right? Like, what is this? What is this? Yeah. When you are passionate about a subject now, you just start typing, you just start putting, you just start doing, and that's when small mistakes start to add up. And these small mistakes go to the image we are creating of ourselves as presenters. Abhi Sach Bol, how much time did it take you to create this presentation?
The PPT.
Yes, the PPT.
So total, it took me 45 minutes to just find out the whole thing, like writing and creating everything.
Yeah. So you did it all in one time, right?
Yes.
Yes. So there was no time left to review it, proofread it, check it, send it to somebody who can proofread it for you. There was none of that done, right? It was just like, करना है, pictures लेके आओ, मुझे ये topic पे present करना, I'm so passionate about it, the other person will be passionate about it, कर देते हैं.
Ma'am, it was autocorrect and I haven't checked it.
Right. But
Yes.
it shows, it shows, and that's not who you are. And that's not who we are at Pehchan, right? That's not who we are. Again, I don't want to harp on each fact, but Pyramid of Giza, these should have been highlighted. If the bent pyramid, if these were your main points, then the names should have come out. The salient features, the important features of bent pyramid should have been mentioned. The important features of the pyramids of Giza should be mentioned, right? So that your audience, see Akhilesh, you and I both know that you are still learning English. You're still learning to present yourself in English. So you have to be prepared for the fact that your audience may not understand everything you're saying. So what your main things are should be listed, not like essay type, not paragraph type, but so that they can at least follow along with, हाँ, okay, ये बात कर रहा है, ये बात कर रहा है, types. Now, the only other thing I wanted to caution you on is constantly saying, this is fact, this is fact. Again, we can't say things are facts when we don't have proof from all the relevant organizations saying that it is fact. Understood what I'm trying to say to you? But let me tell you, I loved that you took a risk. I loved that you shared something you were passionate about. I love that you took the time to make a PowerPoint presentation. I love that, you know, in our affirmation, in our Pehchan affirmation, it says, we create our own opportunities. And you created your opportunity by making a PPT so that you could get the feedback that you have got, so that you can improve, so that you can grow. So I'm very proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you. I see that unfortunately Mitali's signal is not cooperating with her, and so she has got off the call, but I'm very proud of both of you. It was not easy to be the first ones in the group to make the presentation and also to choose your own topic. And nobody was guiding you ke PPT banao, photos dikhao. Nobody was saying any of that. We left it to you all completely. And I'm really proud of you for setting the standard and for allowing us to give you honest feedback. So well done, Akhilesh. Really well done. And you will see how this opportunity that you created for yourself today will serve as another step in the ladder going up. Allow the universe to show you that it will, right? All right, so who will please be our two presenters for next week? Nafisa has already put her hand up. She is going to be one and Pratiksha will be the other. Excellent. So we have Nafisa next week and Pratiksha next week. All right, superb, superb, superb. We will also let you know about the time slot you have been put in for this other opportunity, right? The last thing I'm going to request of you before we hang up today is I want you please to read the Pehchan affirmation. I want you to read it till you know it. Not just memorize it, but till you know it, till you feel it. I have been showing Keisha so many examples where if you lived the Pehchan affirmation, you will be at a completely different level. Keisha, you want to talk to that? You want to please take 2 minutes and speak about how I have been referring you back to the affirmation repeatedly for leadership, for teamwork, and how it's been helping?
Yes. So some of the seniors here, like Satyam and Tanu, they've been at our meeting, so they will know that we've been discussing the affirmation, and we've had some different decisions, some confusing decisions to make over the last 2-3 odd weeks, and those have, it's just been confusing, and like, acha, literally it's like, ye karenge to usko bura lagega. If we do this, then someone else might feel bad. if we do this, then maybe this is better, or maybe this is good. So we've been, literally like going here, then coming back, then doing something else. And we've been reading the affirmation, we've been looking at it, and it's been helping. And honestly, I'll be very honest, sometimes we haven't seen it and we still had a problem. And then later, then Faiz will tell us, listen, just look at the affirmation. And then we look at it, and then things seem clearer. Things feel like, I don't know why we took these many hours to decide something, to think of something. We should have just looked at this first. The moment there is should we do this or this? It should have been like, okay, let's look at the affirmation and go from there. And it feels like it's like a poem, it's just some written words. How can it make so much of a difference? But honestly, it does. It really does. Because it isn't that people should do this or you should do this. It is, I am doing this, we are doing this. And it makes your brain also feel a little better that, listen, this is the way I want to go. This is what I believe in. And this is where I want to be. So it isn't easy at the beginning to start. And I myself am also beginning to look at it as the solution when I'm confused. But I can see that it is helping. As every decision I take, everything that I'm moving forward with, I feel like, okay, this is helping, this is the right way. And I'm sure it'll take everyone time, but it will help. It really will.
Thanks, Keisha. Kids, I have written every word of that affirmation. Every word. No one has helped me. Not a the, not a not an has been written by anyone else but me. Every one of the values I choose to imbibe, and I choose to have you imbibe, is written in that affirmation. And I cannot tell you, and I don't know when I learned this in my life, but to live by a code, to live by a set of values, to live by that has allowed me to excel in my relationships, excel in my work, excel in a project like Pehchan. So when I sat to write it, everything I've been living is what came out on the piece of paper. And what I am finding now is, as I am stuck somewhere in life, I'm not sure which way to make the decision. Sometimes 10,000 things come on your head at the same time and you can't think clearly. अभी क्या करूं, अभी कहाँ जाऊं, अभी कैसे हाँ बोलूं, ना बोलूं, समझ में नहीं आता है. You just look at that little piece of paper ना, and all of a sudden answer मिल जाता है. अरे I believe in this. तो अगर मैं इसको मानती हूँ, तो मैं वो क्यों करूंगी, मैं यही करूंगी ना. So at times when I'm confused, at times when I'm lost, that's what I look at. At times where I feel मैंने सही decision लिया है, फिर भी वो बंदा मुझे गलत क्यों ठहरा रहा है, फिर भी वो मुझे मेरे लिए इतने बुरे चीज क्यों बोल रहे हैं, तो मैं affirmation निकाल के देखती हूँ ना, तो समझ में आता है वो क्यों वो कर रहा है, लेकिन मुझे क्यों ऐसा करना चाहिए या ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. I want you all to imbibe this affirmation, please. All right? It is the code by which we get to live. All right. I have had the best morning with you all. My day is going to go so amazingly well. Saurabh, please don't be disappointed if your name is not selected for this amazing course. I promise you, once lockdown opens and the in-person sessions start, we will include you in that. Varsha, same will go for you, I think, because your camera and your audio is not strong. Kajal, you will figure out how to be home at every session that session happens, so you get proper signal and proper audio. Same for you, Satyam. I don't want any issues with signal. Tanu will be back in Mumbai by the time these classes start. So Tanu too can be at home. So signal is not going to be an issue for any of you. So superb. I'm so excited about you all starting this journey. And I am very happy that we have our alumni all-stars, and that is our Facebook group active and moving?
It's on.
It's on. All right. Is everybody connected on it? Is everybody connected on it?
I need to check.
Yeah.
Except Pratiksha, everyone is now on the group.
Oh, except for Pratiksha. So Pratiksha, can we please get you on the group so you can participate in the lives and the homework assignments?
Yes, yes, I will.
Perfect. Nafisa,
I'll
can
get
you help
back to
Pratiksha
Nafisa.
get on to that group today? And then
Yes, ma'am.
I will post your first homework assignment today. Yay! So excited. Well done, everybody. I love that we are doing this. Our 5-year vision has you all leading this project, advising this project, becoming trustees of our foundation. So we are so excited that this training is happening, and we're so excited to see you all taking the lead. And I am beyond proud of all of you. Kajal, you will need to please tell Mitali she did a fantastic job. We're sorry she didn't have signal, but she'll see the recording, so she'll see me saying that we think she did a great job, and I will give her the feedback when I speak with her about her presentation. Yep. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a superb evening. Thank you for giving us a little more time, and we'll see you next Thursday, 6:30. Next Thursday, 6:30. Love you. Bye. Good night. God bless. Bye, everybody.
Love you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Mitali and I am going to speak about healthy benefits of dancing. So whether you're 80 years old or 80 years young, doesn't matter. Dancing is a way to stay fit for people of all size, age, shapes and etc. If you're able to move, even if it's your upper body, you can able to dance. The benefits of dancing surround all area of our health, including mental, physical, emotional and etc. Physically it's help us like improves our heart, improves our lung, improves our heart pumping, blood circulation, bring the coordination and balance in our body, and we get a fit and nice body posture as well. How it helps us mentally. So while you're dancing, we just need to focus on these two things, that first is changing of your movement, and second is recalling your moves and patterns. So according to multiple studies, it has been proven that dancing actually reduces the stress, anxiety, depression. There are hundreds of teenager girls who were suffering from all these issues. They have overcome them just because of dancing and dancing therapies. So there are some tips. When it comes to dance, the first most important thing is you should let go all your insecurities, your fear, and just be confident. The second most important thing is find the dance style you enjoy the most. And third and best important tip is have fun. Because we all know what all things are going on around us. So some of us has adjusted ourselves with this unusual situation, whereas others might be feeling isolated or demotivating. So all I have to say is be brave, love yourself little extra, because we all are beautiful inside and out. Thank you.